Everyone. It's Tuesday, February 23rd, and I've been sitting with the goddesses asking for guidance over the last few days, and I've continued to get two goddesses who are really here to help us right now to let go of what's not working and to help us drop into our heart spaces, because that is what is required if we're struggling or if we're having a hard time getting that new beginning going. So the first goddess who came in is Death, Kali. So she's a Hindu goddess, and she is all about releasing our egoic attachments, that mental mind personality piece that wants to hold on to something, and it creates suffering. So if there's any areas of your life right now, your health, relationships, work, just your perspective on this world that seems to have gone mad, if there's a way that you're suffering at all, Kali is here to help you let go, to truly cut away at the attachments to your perceptions and to the way that you're approaching your life right now. As we come out of winter and head towards spring, it's really important to continue to compost, to clean out our mental attitudes that are restricting us or keeping us locked into old ways of being that won't work anymore, that we need to be renewed. And death is part of that process, to truly let go and to give over to Kali, to give over to the spirits that are here to help us. And the medicine wheel, it's the spirit of the West, to help let die that which no longer supports you. And from that, you'll get to come into a new beginning. You'll get to reset. That's really important. Now, as we go through this, the other goddess who's here to help us is Kuan Yin. In our deck, she's the Empress, and you'll notice that she's all these beautiful greens and pink energies in her card. She holds a vessel of Amrita, which is a life-giving force, the divine feminine energy that restores us. It's the sacred waters of life. She also holds a willow branch, which brings peace, which is an offering to help restore us to balance. She's all about compassion, waking that up within our heart centers, within our being, so that we can show up. And as we let go of the old ways of life, she helps us come back into our hearts to truly love ourselves, to be compassionate, to forgive the things that haven't worked out, to let them go, so that we can move forward into a more harmonious way of being. So I hope that Kali and Kuan Yin can help you today to come back to your heart space, to help find some peace and balance, so that as you go out in the world, you can feel like yourself. You can feel whole and free to be yourself, that you can be in your heart space, so that the other things can flow away that don't work right now, and a new beginning can come to you. So I send you this love and prayers that you come back to the heart. Aho.